Hello everyone, welcome to Finite Element Methods tutorial. I am V. Rakesh, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department. In this lecture, I will discuss how to calculate deflection of a simply supported beam of span length L subjected to uniformly distributed load by using Rayleigh-Ridge method. The given problem is determine the deflection at the center of a simply supported beam of span length L subjected to uniformly distributed load throughout its length as shown in figure. Use Rayleigh-Ridge method. This is the given simply supported beam. Length is L. The boundary conditions are x equals 0 at A, x equals L at B. According to Rayleigh-Ridge method, when a displacement function makes the total potential energy minimum, that function may considered as the approximate solution for the specified problem. Consider a displacement function, that means deflection, for a beam as y equal a1 plus a2x plus a3x square. This is the polynomial series. Also consider trigonometric series, that is y equal to a sin pi x by l plus a2 sin 3 pi x by l plus a3 sin 5 pi x by l, so on up. In this problem, I consider one trial function, that is polynomial series, that is equal to y equal a1 plus a2x plus a3x square. This is equation number 1. The boundary conditions are y equals 0 at x equals 0 and x equal L. Hence equation 1. Now apply the boundary conditions in this equation. We get y 0 and a1 plus a2 into 0 plus a3 into 0 square, we get a1 equals 0. Also take second boundary condition, that is y equal to 0 and x equal to L. Y equals 0 plus a1 0 plus a2L plus a3L square, that is 0 equal to a2L plus a3L square. From this write a2 equal to minus a3L. Then the deflection y can be written as, now substitute these values in equation 1, that we get y equals a1 0 plus a2 is minus a3l plus a3 x square, that is y equal minus a3 lx plus a3 x square. In this, take a3 as common, that is a3 equal x square minus lx. This is equation number 2. Differentiating 2 times the above equation, we get dy by dx equal to a3 constant x square derivative 2x minus lx derivative L, that is a3 into 2x minus L. Again derivative this term, we get d square y by dx square equal to a3 into 2x derivative is to 2a3. Strain energy per beam element, that is u equal e I by 2 integration 0 to L d square y by dx square whole square dx. Now substitute d square y by dx square in the strain energy equation. We get e I by 2 integration 0 to L 2a3 whole square into dx. That is, now simplify this term, we get 2 square 4, that is 2 1 2 2 1 the 2 2 2 to the 4, that is 2a3 square ei L. Work done is integration 0 to L wy dx. In this UDL, to convert UDL to point load, that is UDL load is W, to convert point loads, that is W into L by 2, that is W into Y deflection into dx, integration 0 to L. Now substitute y in this equation, that is W A3, y is A3 into x square minus Lx into dx. Now integrate this equation, that is WA3 constant term, take as common, x square integration x cube by 3 minus L is constant, x integration x square by 2, limits 0 to L. Now apply the limits, WA3 L cube by 3 minus L into L square, that is L cube by 2. Now simplify this equation, we get minus WA3 L cube by 6. We know the total potential energy formula pi equal to U minus W. Now substitute above values in this equation. U is 2A3 square EIL plus W is WA cube WA3 L cube by 6. For getting minimum value, derivative this term, that is dou pi by dou A3 equals 0. 2A3 square derivative 4A3 EIL plus equal to A3 positive derivative 1, that is WL cube by 6. In from this, write A3 value, A3 equal to minus WL cube by 6 into 1 by 4 EIL. From this we get minus WL square by 24 EI. The deflection is y equal to A3 into x square minus Lx. Now substitute A3 in this, minus WL square by 24 EI into x square minus Lx. For getting maximum deflection, take at x equal L by 2, that is y max equal to minus W L square by 24 EI into L x is L by 2 whole square, L square by 4 minus L into L by 2, that is L square by 2. Now simplify this, we get WL power 4 by 96 EI. Y max equal to WL power 4 by 96 EI. But the exact value for simply supported beam with UDL load, that is 5 by 384 WL power 4 by EI. If we wish to obtain more accurate solution by Rayleigh method, the displacement function y must be considered with more number of coefficients, that means A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6. Thank you for Thank you for watching this video. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.